In this video, we're showing you how to install OtterBox FRĒ Series on your phone. To start, you want to water test the case. We recommend using a food storage container or your kitchen sink. Make sure the O-ring along the outside of the case is completely intact, as it can become dislodged during shipping. If loose, reinsert the O-ring into the grooves along the outside of the case before proceeding to the next step. Important note, the O-ring must be intact or the case is not waterproof. With the case empty, snap the front and back case halves together. Press around all edges to ensure the case is sealed. Push in charge port plug. Submerge case face down in the water for 30 minutes. Weigh it down with a coffee mug or bowl or something that keeps it underwater for the duration. Remove case from water. Dry. And use a coin to release case halves and separate case back from case front. If dry inside, it's time to install your phone. If wet inside, don't install your phone and visit otterbox.com/support to get a replacement case. Get your phone ready. OtterBox FRĒ Series has a built-in screen protector. So remove any screen protectors and clean your phone with the included cloth. Insert your phone into the case front, bottom first. Snap on case back. Press all around edges to ensure the case is sealed. Push in charge port plug. That's it! Your phone is protected and ready to go. When you want to remove your case, use a coin to release case halves. Pull case back away from case front and set your phone free.